Promotion's Wellness Wednesday tip. I'm Alicia Perry, Manager of Health Promotion at 19 Main Comox. For today's tip, I'm going to talk about a way to save money and also add some more greens or veggies to our day. So with this pandemic, we're probably finding that we're going to the grocery store less often, and maybe you're stocking up on some of those big boxes of greens, the spinach, the kale, your favorite greens, and before you can get to the bottom of the box, they're getting a little bit slimy or not so appealing. So one thing I like to do to prevent from wasting it is to freeze them. So I actually freeze them and add them to smoothies later. So I'll show you how I do that.
When I know I won't get through the whole box of spinach, before it gets all gross and slimy, I add a handful of spinach to a magic bullet. You could use a food processor or a blender. I add a splash of water, blend away until it's mixed really well, and then I pour it into an ice cube tray and place it in the freezer. Once they're frozen, I pop them out and keep them in an airtight container in the freezer. Then when I go to make a smoothie, I just throw in a couple of ice cubes of spinach and I've added some veggies to my snack. Here's one of my go-to smoothies. It's a chocolate peanut butter smoothie. I add 1 banana, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 frozen cubes of spinach, and a splash of liquid. It could be water or milk of your choice. You really can't tell that there's even spinach in the smoothie, but here you go. It's an easy way to add some greens into your day.
So there it is, pretty simple. If you see that box on sale, but you don't think that you'll get through the whole box of greens before they get a bit slimy, blend them up, throw them in the freezer, and add them to your favorite smoothie later. Thanks for tuning in to Health Promotion's Wellness Wednesday tip. I'll see you next week.